Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a quick backup of the UI file and any related assets so you can roll back if needed. Next, open your project in the IDE or editor where the interface is built. Once open, navigate to the specific screen or layout that contains the exit button. You search with the Control or Command key to find Exit, Close, or the button ID. Make sure you have design and code views available so you can change both label and behavior. You now edit the button's visible properties, replace the label or icon, adjust size and color, and add a clear accessibility label for screen readers. Then switch to the event handler, detach the old function, and assign the correct exit routine such as quit, finish, or navigation pop depending on the platform. Once connected, test the handler in preview mode, then run a quick build on the intended device or simulator. To confirm the button triggers, you finish by committing changes and adding clear version notes before deploying to staging for broader QA. Make sure to verify the exit button across devices, screen orientations, and accessibility settings, and confirm it doesn't conflict with overlays or modal focus. Once done, monitor logs and user sessions to catch edge cases. If something goes wrong, check runtime logs first, then validate the event binding, and ensure no invisible overlays or focus traps. Prevent the button from receiving clicks or taps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.